I am checking in again to talk about how much money my two digital products Etsy shops made in the month of November. I can certainly say that it was nothing special, although there was the Black Friday and Cyber Monday weekend. I put up a poll in my YouTube community tab asking how did your shop perform during Black Friday. And the majority of you told me in that poll that it sucked. Well, it sucked for me too, but a good amount of people told me that they made more than $1,000 on that day or weekend combined. It's kind of sad that I'm in the sucked category as well, but I made as much as I usually do on a typical Friday. But Monday was 20% better, 30%, something like that. If you enjoy seeing these income reports and if you would like to see more, subscribe to my channel because I am doing these every month where I talk about what went wrong, what went right, and what did I do to improve sales. So click that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's take a look at the numbers. Okay, we are looking at last month's period, 1st of November to the 30th. And you can see that the visits were kind of all over the place. This was the week before Black Friday. Here is Black Friday on the 25th. Saturday, Sunday, this is Cyber Monday, and then Tuesday I have a big spike, I don't know why. It says that the visits decreased 1% compared to the previous period, compared to last year. We had 24% less orders in this November than last year's. Here we had only 9, but here we had 34, so numbers are all over the place for this month. The conversion rate increased compared to October, but decreased compared to last year. I started out the month like really low numbers, like 1.8 here, but then I had a 4.9 here, and 4.2, but it averages out to a 3.2. And the revenue, as you can see, it was again all over the place. Usually I averaged around 120 euros a day, $120 with the conversion rate as it is now. Out of that it was almost 100 dollars profit a day. Here I had a really bad day with only 61 euros in sales. Out of that we have to deduct, of course, the fees and all the other stuff that is deducted. But here I had a really good day with 268 orders. Now here, this spike is due to a custom order that I did for someone. They had a big bundle of templates and I customized it for them. That is why this day had a bigger amount of sales. And here we have Black Friday, as you can see, 120, nothing out of the ordinary. 110, and here this is Tuesday with 183. It's starting to pick up. The numbers started to pick up a little bit by the end of the month, and we made a total of 3,842 euros in the month of November. The traffic sources are the same as usual, nothing changed there. Social media, here we have the Pinterest. We had 500 clicks from Pinterest. Some Facebook and some Instagram, although I do not promote my products on neither of these platforms except Pinterest. But I do not like these results, so I think I will just save the money, although it's not much, it's $2 a day. I think I will just save that money and I will put it somewhere else in the business. Because 500 clicks is not that much. Now let's check out the monthly statement for the month of November in the editable template shop, and I will show you in a second screenshots from the printable planner shop. For that I use my phone and the Etsy seller app. So in November, here you can see the profit, 2,798 euros and 77 cents. This is the profit that was sent to my bank account. Now, November had 5 paychecks for me because it had 5 Tuesdays. Usually Etsy sends the funds on a Monday, but it's Tuesday by the time it gets to me. So November had 5 Tuesdays, and I got this money in 5 transfers. So, a total we made 3,819 euros. Out of which we had 2 refunds. There was a misunderstanding with one of my products because people obviously don't read descriptions thoroughly. Some VAT and some tax. and the credit from the subscription. Now, I paid 754 euros in fees, Yes, I know, it hurts. Listing fees, transaction fees and processing fees. I really hope that they will not increase their processing fee or transaction fee ever again because it hurts enough like this. And then on marketing I spent 265 euros, out of which the majority was the ads that I run for 7 euros a day. And after Christmas I will decrease it again to 5 or 3 or 4, I will see that. Then we have some offsite ads and the Etsy Plus subscription. Let's take a look at the marketing tab and specifically to the ads. Now let's set it to a custom time period, and that would be the 1st of November until the 30th. And here you can see that the return on investment with the ads is bringing in a bigger amount of profits, because what I did before was that I was running ads for 250 items, and that is too much for the amount of money that I'm spending a day. So I went into the Etsy ads management part of Etsy, and I deactivated each and every listing that didn't bring in any money through the ads. And now I am left with 50 something items that I'm running ads for, and this increased my return on investment significantly because I am not spending money on clicks that will not bring any sales. So here you can see that I spent $210 and I earned $319, which is significantly better than the previous 3 or 4 months. Here you can see the views, clicks, orders, not every day, but usually 1 order a day if I average it out. And here is the revenue. This was a big day because that custom order was brought in through an ad, I'm guessing. That's why it is allocating that custom order here. It was 70 euros. And this is the spend, the steady $7 a day. Oh yes, I'm advertising 67 items because I added some new items and I'm doing some ads for those too, but this is significantly less and these perform so much better. Okay, now let's talk about the printable planner shop. Now, as you can see right here next to me, we had 391 euros in revenue with a 1% conversion rate and 92 orders, which is really good because in the month of November I logged into this shop only once. And that's what I call truly passive income because I didn't do anything with this shop. I replied to 2 messages. That was it. The rest was 100% passive with this shop. Here you can see the visits, the orders, a little bit more towards the end of the month. That was the Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend. And here you can see the revenue. It decreased by 47% compared to last year, but still there were some sales made. And 92 orders in 1 month, it's not that bad for doing nothing in that particular month. So the traffic is kind of the same as always. Let's take a look at the payment account and the monthly statements. And let's take a look at November. Here you can see that the actual profit was $309 or euros. We didn't have any refunds here and there was some tax and VAT involved. There were 69 euros in fees. I spent 12.78 on marketing, out of which the biggest chunk is of course the Etsy Plus subscription. Okay, so just to do a quick recap of the month of November, we had a total sales in both shops of 4,228 euros, out of which I paid fees of a total of 823 euros, plus the marketing costs of 274 euros, which means that in total I paid to Etsy in the month of November 1,097 euros, which is kind of a big chunk. And the total profit for the month of November is 3,131 euros, which is kind of an increase compared to last month, for which I'm really happy about because we are finally on an increasing trend and I really hope that we can keep this up for the upcoming months. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Please tell me in the comments down below how did your Black Friday weekend go and how were the sales in general for you in the month of November. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to my channel because I have many cool videos prepared for the month of December, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss one of them. Next, I want you to watch this video where I talk about the 12 most profitable digital product ideas that you can start creating in 2023. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!